Our project is about head-up display note-taking. Ask yourself this: have you ever been tired of looking back and forth at your professor while taking notes? Most likely, the answer is yes. But how do we fix this problem? This is where our idea comes in. Use a head-up display for note-taking. But is it good or bad? We don't know. What we do know is that laptops are worse for taking notes than handwriting. So how about a head-up display? How are we going to test its performance? The answer is 3 easy steps. Designing an experiment is the first step in our process. We conducted a literature review and familiarized ourselves with the equipment before we began designing an experiment. After creating the experiment, we moved on to the next step, the pilot study. Our pilot study was conducted in 2 sessions. Through within subject's design, the 4 participants experienced both conditions. The experimenter reads from a script and asks the participants to read a consent form. The participants signed the form, thus agreeing to participate in the study. The experimenter helps the participants in a training session to familiarize them with the equipment. The participants begin watching the TED Talk. One participant uses the laptop to take notes, while the other uses the head-up display and Bluetooth paired keyboard. After the participants finish taking notes, they are asked to fill out a NASA TLX and questionnaire. The participants then switch conditions and repeat the same procedure on a new video. This concludes session 1. In session 2, the participants are asked to complete a quiz. The participants are able to use the notes they've taken. The quiz contains 5 conceptual and 5 factual questions. The process is then repeated for the other video. And that concludes session 2. After organizing our results, we see that the head-up display had a higher overall mean on the NASA TLX. Participants also preferred the laptop over the head-up display due to familiarity. Participants scored higher using the laptop notes than the head-up display. We'll improve our design by giving participants more time to familiarize with the equipment. We'll also provide a mouse to make the note-taking easier. Moving forward, we will finalize our design and run a real experiment. Thank you for watching.